Please, can you read my dialect? Abofra bonwa na ombo achichidie.
Look at this.
Abofra bonwa na omo ayeyakede.
Welcome to the Mata Television.
Hi, my name is Christy, aka Nikki CH, and you are watching the Mata TV. On today's episode is Broni Obetimi Akan. Yes, can the white speak my dialect? If you really want to know, follow me. Hi, please, what's your name?
My name is Rick and I'm coming from Amsterdam.
Nice. I will let you read this and see if you can.
Okay, let's try.
It's about to go down.
Abofra bonwa na omo akiedeye.
Hi, please, what's your name?
My name is Berend.
Viren. Abofra mbowa na obo achichidie.
Abofra bo no ma na omono akachete.
What?
Omono akachete.
Welcome to the Mata Television.
Abofra bonwa na ombo achichidie.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Abofra abonwa ana omo akiedede. Yeah.
Yeah. Abofra bonwa na omo achichidie.
Abofra bo noa oma akiet yede.
Hello, please, what's your name?
My name is Isabel.
Please, can you read my dialect? Abofra bonwa na ombo achichidie.
I know far about what antichite is difficile.
Your head like a billow. Your head like a billow. Nonsense.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Bob.
Okay, please, I'll give you some questions and you have to say it.
Okay, yeah, sure. Abofra bonwa na omo ayeyakede.
Yes, yes.
Welcome to the Mata Television.
Okoto anwo anoma.
Okoto anowa anoma.
Okay.
Okoto wo anoma.
Okoto no anoma.
Yeah. Wo anoma.
Okoto no anoma.
Yeah. Okoto wo anoma.
This?
Yeah.
Okoto Anoman.
Okay. Thank
Jesus.
Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment, and share.
Welcome to the Mata Television.